currently 4:36, 7, 8 in the morning. So a few hours after the last vlog that you guys just saw. This morning we're dropping off Nakai and Christian at the airport. A little tired. It's been a long few days. But today's the last day, but it should be some fun shots. So we just dropped off Nakai and Christian at the airport. Christian put my sticker on a suitcase, which is pretty cool, so shout out to you. Thanks, Christian. Sebastian, where are we going?
We're going to the world's first Chick-fil-A, which is a 24-hour spot here in Atlanta, Georgia.
Oh, what?
Yeah.
Bitch.
Welcome to the world's first Chick-fil-A.
Oh my god. Original home of Chick-fil-A. This is interesting. Interesting.
Y'all enjoy?
Yes, we did. Thank you. Appreciate it.
Thank you.
Have a good one. Solid breakfast, Chick-fil-A. I didn't even know you had breakfast.
Can we go through the Dorf door?
Yeah, let's go through the Dorf door. Is it open? No, just trying to get it open.
The Dorf door?
Just gonna go ahead and... Okay, just gonna... There we go. Oh, it closes quick. We got Anthony right now getting some interior shots of the car. We got our RWB sign lighting up the car. We have 3 LED panels back there, 2 matching the color of the car, 1 matching the color of our brake lights that are about to go on and our tail lights that are about to go on when the car starts. Anthony is just grabbing some detail shots of the car. He just grabbed some interior shots. I was just grabbing some of the overall exterior shots before this, but I'm weak boy arm gang, so I couldn't do it for too long, so Anthony's taking over. We got the back graffiti wall lit up, so we have a total of 5 LED panels, including the Rowell sign behind us, helping light our situation. We didn't have enough lights, so we just put a little iPhone inside the car and put it on the max brightness on the flashlight to kind of give the interior a little bit of fill light for some of the wider shots that we were getting of the establishing shots of the car in this garage. This will probably be towards the end of the film once the car is done and complete. We're just gonna show him walking into the car, getting in, so we have a transition between yesterday's footage and then today's footage, which we're about to capture at Porsche headquarters, I believe. So it's gonna be him pulling out of here, going to Porsche headquarters, but this will be the detail shots of the car. If we don't get them later, we're just getting them now because later might be a little bit of a time crunch. And Anthony's right now with the A7S2, 24-70 G Master on the Movi, Free Fly Movi M15, getting some shots. Thumbnail, oh yeah. Sponsor us. Sony Pro USA, sponsor us. I'm gonna go pack up the rest of the gear because we're gonna have to throw everything in the car, and it's gonna be like a quick day because we're gonna have to move from their shoot to the airport, pack everything up, get on a plane, and fly back home. So, oh wow, we're late. Yeah. It's like 8:40. We're supposed to be at Porsche like an hour ago, but 7:50. 7:50?
Did you not reset that watch since daylight savings?
Maybe not. So you're gonna walk in from underneath that red light. You're gonna walk up to the car. Get in, start it, put it in reverse, and take it back towards the curtain. You're not gonna go out. It'll make sense later. Okay. Rolling in 3, 2, 1. The people at Porsche are waiting for us. We're running a little bit behind right now, so we're just trying to get there as soon as we can. We're just doing a quick audio setup, so that way we don't have to worry about this later. Later we're also going to be in a rush, so we'll be back. to the Porsche headquarters. We're only running like 2 hours late, but that's okay. We'll get there and have a few hours to shoot on the track or wherever we can shoot there. So hopefully we get some cool shots. This is Mike Kuhn Racing. Check him out on Instagram, Mike Kuhn Racing. That's his car. He races. Got to Porsche Museum.
All right, so Chris has to go get something from the van, but I don't want you guys to miss this. We have the Misfits Motorsports RWB and Yang's new RWB outside here at Porsche Atlanta. Here's Anthony doing his thing. Mike Kuhn Racing as well. Pretty dope. Hi, Anthony.
Mike Kuhn Racing is taking some pictures of the two RWBs together against this gray backdrop here. So if you guys want to check out Mike's Instagram, we'll put it somewhere. I think it's just Mike Kuhn Racing. We'll put it somewhere for you guys to go check him out. See these photos, show him some love. Look at him. Look at the little guy down there. He's got this cool RWB thing set up over here, so that looks good. We captured some shots of the cars outside of the front of the Porsche headquarters to kind of show that they ended up here. So that's what we're gonna do.
We're gonna what?
I gave you a business card and everything. And then, okay. All right. You guys off.
Bye, friends. It's a
Wrap.
That's it. That ends our RWB. Where the fuck are we?
Atlanta.
Atlanta. RWB Atlanta.
Experience Center.
With all the footage that we can't use. Great time, great people, good times, good food, lots of food. Holy shit, we ate a lot of food down here. Koreans, you fuckers know how to eat. Yeah, thank you again to everyone who helped with this build, helped with this video. Check these guys out, you guys know them already. We'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed the film and
Keep smiling forward, daily, progressive.
Like, comment, subscribe.
Like, comment, subscribe. Tomorrow.